In this video, I'll show you how to get high quality covers for Notion. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now go to your Notion, and there are different templates you can use for this. So each template has its own cover. So all of this. So each template has its own cover. So you can just come on, you can type in worship. So I want to use this for an example now. So you can see there are different templates with different covers. So, but you can personally add up your own cover if you want. So, okay, this is it, worship song management. So you can see their own cover is here. So at first, you need to create that high quality cover by yourself. Or you can hire a camera editor or someone that's really good, that is a photographer. So among one of my notes, you can come on and add up a cover as well if you want. So I'm going to tap on this. So you see the add cover option. So once you tap on it, you can be able to see different covers, different quality covers for yourself. So, okay, you can be able to add up any one if you love to. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.